10-point analysis framework. A 10-point analysis is a concise evaluation method that focuses on key aspects of a subject. In the context of company analysis or any other analysis, here's a simplified 10-point framework. 1. Business model. Understand the company's core business and revenue streams. Assess its competitive advantage and market positioning. 2. Financial performance. Evaluate recent financial statements for revenue growth, profitability, and cash flow. Look for trends and consistency. 3. Management competence. Assess the capability and track record of the management team. Consider their strategic decisions and execution. 4. Market and industry. Analyze industry trends and the company's position within the market. Identify potential opportunities and threats. 5. Risks. Identify and evaluate key risks, both internal and external. Consider regulatory, operational, and financial risks. 6. Competitive landscape. Understand the competitive environment and key competitors. Assess the company's competitive strengths and weaknesses. 7. SWOT analysis. Identify the company's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Use this analysis to understand the internal and external factors. 8. Financial ratios. Utilize key financial ratios to assess liquidity, profitability, and solvency. Compare ratios to industry benchmarks and historical data. 9. Valuation. Use relevant valuation methods, e.g., P/E ratio, DCF, to assess the company's stock. Compare the valuation with industry peers. Thus, future outlook. Consider the company's growth prospects and potential challenges. Look for any upcoming product launches, expansions, or strategic initiatives. This 10-point analysis provides a structured yet concise approach to evaluating a company's overall health and potential. It serves as a quick reference guide for decision-making and can be expanded upon based on the depth of analysis required. Keep in mind that a comprehensive understanding often involves combining quantitative and qualitative insights. Stay tuned for more updates.